This is Cosmos Guardian, a real-time industrial safety monitoring system powered by NVIDIA Cosmos Reason 2. Unlike traditional object detection, this system understands physics, weight, momentum, collision trajectories, and structural risks. Here we have a 10-second CCTV footage from a smart factory. A worker is operating near heavy machinery. Let's see what Cosmos Reason 2 detects. When we click Run Reason 2, the model extracts frames from the video, then performs chain-of-thought physics reasoning in real time. You can see the live reasoning trace streaming on the right panel. This is the model thinking through physical properties like kinetic energy, inertia, and collision forces. The system returns a safety score of 35 out of 100, triggering an immediate alert. It identified a high-risk collision with moving machinery, predicting that the worker could experience violent deceleration due to high-speed interaction with the equipment. Here is the key differentiator, the reasoning trace. The model does not just say danger detected. It explains why: the worker's kinetic energy relative to the machinery, the lack of protective gear, and how inertia would amplify injury severity. Finally, it generates actionable countermeasures: enhanced PPE, robotic presence zones, and regular safety drills. Cosmos Guardian combines NVIDIA Cosmos Reason 2 with a fine-tuned LoRA adapter trained on industrial safety data, delivering physics-aware hazard detection that goes far beyond simple visual recognition. Thank you.